Hello and welcome. In the last video we have seen how to install Docker in our Ubuntu machine. In this video we will see how we can install Docker Compose. So let's get started. So open Google and type Docker Compose install Ubuntu. Okay, you will get many links. So let's install it from the official repository. So let's search for this is a Docker Compose repository. Click here. So let's see what is the instruction given. So in the Linux you can download the Docker Compose binaries from the release page. Okay, this is the release page. So currently it is 2.14.0. okay, next step, or you can copy it in the one of the directories. Okay, so rename. Okay, so let's do that. Let's create this directory first. Okay, so open new terminal. Okay, do an mkdir and space -p. -p is given so that we can create nested directories. So directory is created successfully. Now we need to get this Docker Compose file or Docker Compose binary. So let's see, let's download that from the release page. Okay, so we have so many files, so let's go with this is Darwin, this is Linux. Okay, strange. Okay, so let's refer some other documentation. Install Docker Compose 2. In Docker Compose 1 the method was different. This is a new version of Docker Compose which is completely rewritten in the Go language. So previously it was Python based. So let's see if we are missing something. Let's see this tutorial. 22.4. okay, this is using 2.3.3. so we have created this directory. Next step is to download this one. So it is downloading which one? Docker Compose Linux x86-64. let's see if we have that. This is Darwin Linux. We have ARC6 but not X. Okay, so 2.3.3 Docker Compose. Strange. Okay, let's copy that command. Official GitHub repository, release page. It is sending us to the same page. Never mind, let's copy, and before pasting it here, let's paste it in a text editor. Let's skip that, paste that. Let's change our version which is 2.14. something, yeah, 2.14.0. let's see if this works. Copy, terminal, paste, enter. Okay, so you got the latest binary. Let's discard that and this one also. Yeah, now we need to make the file executable. So let's cd to that directory. So which was the directory? Yeah, let's do a cd to that. ls. As you can see, this is not executable, so let's make it executable. Ch, let's do a sudo chmod a plus x. What is the file name? Docker compose. Enter the password and let's close the terminal. Open again. Now let's see if we have the docker compose command available. Press tab. Okay, compose, it is not available. Let's see what we are missing. So once we have this, we have made it executable. Now let's see if we have that. New terminal, paste, enter. We have 2.14.0, but we are not able to execute that. Let's see what is the problem. Okay, this is just a demo for the example. Docker compose YAML file, docker compose up -t, docker compose ps. Okay, getting familiar with the compose commands. Okay, so previous commands is not used, so let's see what we can do here. Let's do a symbolic link where all our commands are available. So do a cd, where is that? Yeah, now let's do an absolute path ln -s. So $home dot docker CLI plugins docker compose. Let's copy that to /usr local bin docker compose. I think I have typed the command right. Let's see. So as you can see, no such file or directory. Maybe we need to reverse that. Let's type it again, ln -s /us. Okay, this is not working. Override the default backup suffix. Creates a symbolic link relative to the link location. Let's clear that. Let's do a copy docker compose /usr local bin, press enter. Cannot create, permission denied. Okay, sudo. Now let's close the terminal again, start a new window. Let's see if the command is available. Docker compose, yes, we can run the docker compose command -v. Yes, so that's how you install docker compose. So see you guys in the next video, wherein we will be installing Laravel in our system, now that we have all the basic requirements set up. So see you guys in the next video. Meanwhile, if you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you guys. Thank you for watching.